Today we're going to change the engine air filter on a 2020 RAV4. The original part number is 17801-F0050. This is a pretty simple process. Undo the clips on the side. Lift the cover away. Pull the old filter out. It may fight with you just a little bit because it's kind of close quarters. Very close quarters, as a matter of fact. There's the old one. This one is not terrible, but it can be replaced. Here's the original factory Denso part. We'll see if we can get this one to slide in a little bit cleaner than we took it out. Just slide it back in there. Make sure it fits on all four edges. And you're done. Put the cap back on. Put the lid back on. And snap those snaps back into place. And you're done. This is a really simple DIY thing anybody can do. And it just takes a few minutes. There. You're done. That's all from DIY Dave for today.